the girl was looking crusty. Hey y'all, good morning. So today is Sunday. So I'm gonna be showing y'all my Sunday schedule. Right now it's like 8 o'clock. I'm up kind of late, but I actually woke up at 7 and I was doing some things around the house just so I could get myself ready for the work week, as well as the children ready for school. So yeah, we're about to head to Target and Trader Joe's, as well as I'm gonna stop and vacuum the car because I don't know who these children think they are in this back seat, but it's horrible, like horrible. I did my skincare routine this morning. I can't tell. I wish I would have showed you guys the before and after, because before the girl was looking crusty. Yes, I was looking so crusty, and I actually let my little sister's friend straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in maybe about a good 3 months. So it feels really good to have my hair straightened. I got my ends clipped. I'm thinking of taking this blonde out my hair. I actually want my hair the color of my outfit that I have on. I think that would look really nice for the fall season. I don't know. I'm debating if I want to just let my blonde come all the way out. Do I want to retouch up my blonde? Like, I don't know. I just know I don't want this blonde anymore because summer is over. So I don't want it anymore. Yeah. So I'm debating on that. So I'll get back with you guys when I get to Target. She's always dancing. She don't stay still.
Friend of me, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me.
When I brought my groceries home from Trader Joe's, I realized I needed more items. So the next day, I went to Giant to get more stuff. But when I brought my groceries home, I realized that I had a lot of outdated things in the refrigerator and that the refrigerator needed a total re-cleaning. So I took everything out of the refrigerator, threw away all of the items that were out of date, and just took all of the shelves out of the refrigerator because I did not realize that I normally, when I clean the refrigerator, I think I skipped the door. So I took everything out, I washed them, and I put them all back in. I threw out all of the out-of-date items. I also realized that in my house, we opened the same thing maybe 3 times. There was 4 items in the refrigerator that was the exact same thing opened, and it kind of drove me crazy. I wasn't sure if I was able to just pour it in the same thing, so I didn't do it. I just left it in there.
Friend of me, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me.
Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to
I picked these grapes up from Trader Joe's and I thought they were just so cute because they're mini size. And they just taste great. Like, they're sweet, but they're not too sweet. And the darker ones kind of taste like a plum to me.
myself? You can watch me glow. 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 You can watch me glow.
It was at this very moment that I realized that we opened the same exact thing literally 4 times. We had 4 sauces open. We had 3 Chick-fil-A sauces open. We had 4 teriyaki sauce open. It drove me insane. It took up so much space and I wasn't sure if I could mix it all together, so I just threw it back in the refrigerator because I was just very much irritated.
You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow.
At this point, nothing was going right. The Ziploc bag broke and it just like had enough at this point.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench.
Now that the refrigerator is all clean and organized, it was time to get all the trash up. And I was very disappointed on how much items that we waste. I did not realize how wasteful we are in my home. We had so many outdated sauces, but then I realized that we opened 5 sauces of the same exact kind. So I'm gonna have to start taking more notice to these things before I just open more things in the cabinet, because it's honestly a waste of money.
You can watch me glow. 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 You can watch me glow.
I'm gonna go throw my dish rags and my carpet mats in the wash machine, and by the time I am finished everything, they should be dry. Now that I can actually start cleaning, I plugged in my diffuser I got from Target, as well as I'm going to mop my floor with the Method Squirt and Mop using my O-Cedar mop. And I really loved how the kitchen turned out. It smelled good, it looks good. My carpet and my dish rags all were done just in time. So I was really satisfied with that. And now I'm going to whip you guys up a nice little quick dessert. It's all of 6 ingredients and it only takes about 15 to 20 minutes. And you guys are going to totally love it. You can make it for a party. You can make it for your children. And while I'm making dessert, I let the children paint their pumpkins that I picked up from Target. So they were really happy and they were a little quiet while I was making their dessert. If you guessed banana pudding, you are totally right. This is going to hit the spot anytime at any event. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to tell a friend to come check out my home decor, my food hauls, and my warm and cozy meals. Thanks, guys. Bye.